சீமான் ஐயா மற்றும் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சீமான் எங்களோட ஜனநாயக தங்க திருமகன், who has taken this step boldly like a lion for speaking for the Muslims. நான் தமிழில் அவ்வளோ ஃப்ளூவெண்ட்டாக பேச முடியாது, ஆனால் பேசுவேன். ப்ளீஸ் allow me to speak in English. இந்த மேடைக்கு என்னை பேச அனுமதித்துக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. Without preamble, let me just head on to tell you that all intelligent people know at the back of their mind, but will not speak. Let me explain to you the modus operandi or the scheme of the BJP at the center to secure the vote of the special section of people who believe in his tactics blindly, who believe in his lies blindly. The BJP IT wing management through which the WhatsApp University operates. In the India மற்ற மக்கள் இந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் படித்தாங்களோ இல்லையோ, ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் படித்தாங்களோ இல்லையோ, ஆனால் வாட்ஸ்அப் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் எல்லாரும் மெம்பராக இருக்காங்க. Their students are half-baked. Their WhatsApp uncles and aunties who hereby holding high posts in big organizations, governments with engineering, management, medical, PhD. Remember, they stood on the balconies. அவங்க எல்லாம் கொரோனா போகிறதுக்கு அந்த பிளேட்டை தட்டினாங்க, ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? This is the state of how the BJP IT cell has worked. The majority of this country can now only understand the logic of blind faith, which makes no sense. I don't see much hope for an enlightenment for these people, as they are blinded by hate, which is fueled by those in power who want to hold on desperately to their seats. The new WhatsApp syllabus tells us that the third largest land is held by Waqf board. This is pudu syllabus vandhathu WhatsApp university la. Yes, unquestionably these blind, dumb, educated asses will believe them. Their half-cooked youth will react to all these gimmicks are nothing but cheap labor for the ruling party, who will start fighting with all the Muslims, who will stand on top of the masjids and wave their orange flags. When the bill is being discussed extensively in Parliament, I heard so many leaders tell very categorically that 3 or 4 states, Tamil Nadu 4,47,000 acres, religious institutions, Andhra 4,67,000 acres, Telangana 87,000 acres, Tirupati 723 acres. 10 lakh acres, idliye 4 state la vandichu. Then the rest of the country, please do your mathematics. This government has a national political agenda, all the time to disturb the common Muslim man, create a situation to demean him, demoralize and get the Hindu vote. If he wants to bring about one nation, one law, please take care of the Hindus, Modi ji. Please take care of the Hindus also. See the financial corruption, mismanagement of funds, and save the Hindus first. And please allow the President of India to enter the temple. Please don't see caste and creed. The entire world has seen through your manipulation. The people of India who are really intelligent cannot be fooled anymore. You can speak the truth also and win election. How many lies will you tell, Modi ji? How many lies? Please bring reforms in your BJP IT wing. They have seen through your love jihad, your vegetable jihad, your haram halal jihad, your Jews jihad, and God knows how many bloody jihads. When BJP came to power in 2014, 10 years, what were they doing? Twiddling their thumbs? What were they doing? Okay, one election won with Ram Mandir. Next election with misinformation about Waqf board, communal polarization, the entire bill built on falsity, targeted legislation. All the best for this country whose leadership is bent on dividing it into 1,000 pieces. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak.
அடுத்ததாக மாநில ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் சோழன் மு களஞ்சியம் அவர்கள்.